This is Optimized Tube. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today, I'm going to share an incredible website that's about to make preparing images for print-on-demand super easy, and it won't cost you a dime. But first, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you subscribe, you'll never miss out. So, let's get started. Head over to dgb.lol. On their homepage, it says, "This website is dedicated to giving a helpful hand to people who don't want to spend money on online image converters or upscalers, but need an advanced tool for image manipulation, such as upscaling, converting to CMYK, or quickly downloading and upscaling the Midjourney output." And guess what? It's completely free and will always be. Amazing, right? You'll find the menu in the top left corner. Let's start by exploring the Upscaler tool. Upload an image or drag and drop. You can select from the options balanced, cartoon drawing, fine-tune, or detailed. If your image is a drawing or a cartoon, the cartoon drawing option will give you slightly better results. However, for digital print, balanced is your best bet. Also, choose to automatically change the file type or keep it the same. It's important to note that when upscaling an image, which is a PNG file with no transparency, it will be converted to JPG. Additionally, the output will be converted to 300 dpi, a significant improvement over the standard 72 dpi. This also applies to the Midjourney image splitter tool. Pretty neat, right? Before you can use the Midjourney image splitter tool, you'll need to create an image in Midjourney. Click on your creation, then open in browser. Now copy the URL and paste it into the image splitter tool on dgb.lol. Indicate which images you want to upscale and hit submit. Once submitted, head over to the My Files folder on the left side. Here, you'll find all your images and pending jobs. Notice the 4 colored numbers. The first number represents the images you have queued, followed by the number of images currently being processed. The green number indicates the number of finished images, while the red one represents the number of failed jobs. Keep in mind that you have 24 hours to download your processed images before they are cleared from the system. And there you have it. I've intentionally left a few tools for you to explore on your own. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, take care and I'll see you in the next video.